Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my FunnelXpress review, demo and $3,275 bonus. Now FunnelXpress is a brand new product released by Mark Bishop, Venkata, Ramana and Rash Vin, three amazing marketers, and it is actually much better comparing to all the competition when it comes to what it does. And what it does is it creates money making funnels in any niche. Okay, so I'm going to show you as always the sales page inside of the members area. We're going to do some comparisons between the competitors. We're going to go through the funnel, and I have a huge $3,000 plus bonus, including some custom made bonuses, especially for this promotion. So let me share my screen and let's jump into this FunnelXpress review. Now, as you know, before jumping into the sales page, I like comparing Fiverr gigs or just competitors when it comes to pricing. And obviously FunnelXpress creates funnels, so I found some gigs that will just give you some examples of what people are charging for very similar services. So I found this gig. I will write high converting sales copy for landing pages, sales funnels and ads, and it's wide 118 euro, which is like $130. Now keep in mind, sales copy and everything else is already included with these, because you're going to be getting squeeze pages, sales pages, and even done for you emails. So sales copy is included, and this guy is charging $130 just for the sales copy, and as you can see, he's actually selling tons, so 150 gigs sold. I found another gig. I will build amazing funnels in ClickFunnels and lead pages, so someone else essentially does the funnel building for you. And the basic version is $100. We have the standard version $125 and the premium $250. And obviously you don't have to hire anyone like this one, like this person right here. You can just do this yourself, because all of this is done for you with FunnelXpress. Now I found another gig. As you can see, I will set up funnels using ClickFunnels and lead pages. Again, basic version is $50. We get the standard version $150 and the premium version $250, and this will include like sales pages and everything else. And again, you can just save all that money because everything is included with FunnelXpress. Now I'm going to show you exactly what is included in a second, but I also wanted to show you some competitors. Now ClickFunnels, as you know, they have a couple of options when it comes to their pricing: $97 per month or $297 per month. Keep in mind, this is something that you have to continue paying for, and obviously ClickFunnels is an amazing tool, but FunnelXpress is pretty much very competitive, and this is a one-time price if you're gonna get on the early bird. We're gonna go talk about the pricing in a second. And then I will run for you Convert3, very similar to ClickFunnels, and it will cost you anywhere from $53 per month to $166 per month, as you can see. So again, FunnelXpress is something that will cost you just a one-time price instead of paying monthly. So you're making money, you're creating these funnels, and you're saving money at the same time. Now with that being said, let's check out the sales page. Now the sales page is pretty long, so I'm just going to hit on some key points. As you can see, first of all, 0 monthly fees, very exciting. Newbie friendly, 100% done for you. Fill in the blanks, done for you. Commission machine. FunnelXpress app enables you to copy and paste super affiliate funnels for instant results. You can check out the video right here if you want to in your own time. Obviously these guys have some massive proof behind this. Now this is affiliate marketing proof. Sometimes you see these sales pages, and these proof screenshots are from vendor accounts. It's very easy to make $1,000 as a vendor, but it's not easy to make $1,000 as an affiliate. As you can see, all of these stats are affiliate stats, not vendor stats. So some massive proof behind it. Again, 0 to super affiliate. I'm going to show you all of the examples of pages in a second, so we don't have to be going through this. And again, FunnelXpress, this is the name of this new product, and we got Rash, we got Mark, and we got Venkata behind this product. And again, just take a look at this, $15,000 just in affiliate sales. So pretty amazing. And obviously you can use these funnels for anything, for affiliate marketing, for CPA marketing, for your own products, for e-com, for anything you want. Again, affiliate, $10,000 as an affiliate made right here on JVZoo. So I'm scrolling down again. Again, you can check all of this out in your own time. Again, it's fill in the blanks, 30 days money back guarantee as always, and a little sum up right here. These guys will have some bonuses, so we have free fast action bonuses. You're gonna get my bonuses on top of this, so well over $3,000 worth of bonuses. That's essentially it, so I'm not going to bore you to death with the sales page. And the inside of the members area looks like this. Now, super excited because you're actually getting a ton of done for you stuff. Not only the funnels, not only the pages, but a ton of done for you stuff. So I'm going to show you all of that right now. As you can see, we have some quick stats right here. So total funnels, total views, total subscribers, and total templates, which is essentially total funnels. So you're getting 63 done for you funnels. We have the welcome video right here, as you can see, and then just take a look at the categories, because this will work in any niche. So we have affiliate marketing, SEO, paid traffic, social media, list building, offline marketing, fitness and weight loss, health, dating and relationship, and self-improvement, which means that obviously you can use these funnels for yourself, or you can actually set this up for your clients in any niche, in fitness and health and dating, and charge people money just like these people on Fiverr are charging. So you can make up to $250 a pop with these funnels. So again, super exciting. As you can see, tons of categories. So let's check out all the products. So again, when it comes to the products, you have the same categories, so affiliate marketing, SEO, paid traffic, etc. Now, I'm not going to show you exactly how to create a new product right here, but I will have a full demo that was made by Rash. Okay, so a part of this video, I'm going to have a separate demo video both on my blog and YouTube channel, and I'm also going to interview these guys, and we're gonna have a chat about what's inside a part of this review video. Okay, so again, I'm going to have all of these videos on my blog, and right now I just want to go through the key points right here. So these are the products. As you can see, we have subscribers, so obviously you can generate lists with these funnels, and the cool thing is that FunnelXpress will actually keep the list of your subscribers, so you don't have to initially connect it to an autoresponder. You can obviously, if you have Aweber or MailChimp or GetResponse or ActiveCampaign or any other of these autoresponders, but you don't need to have one if you're just starting out. You can actually just keep them right here, and you have the subscribers list for it. Now, so let me click on social media as an example, and what you are getting is, again, tons of squeeze pages, tons of sales pages. Now keep in mind, when I'm paying for my squeeze pages and sales pages is anywhere from $200 to $500 for each page, and look at this, you're getting all of these done for you. So these are actually sales pages, full sales pages. Okay, so a part of done for you funnels, which will include squeeze pages, thank you pages, download pages, sales page, and everything else, you also have done for you banners and emails. Now that alone is worth at least $5 to $10 to $25 per banner or per email. Okay, so let's check out the banners. Again, let's go to SEO, and as you can see, we have a list of different banners right here that you can edit. So this is just one of these banners. As you can see, we have 10 different banners, and we have tons of different categories. So obviously you can just use these banners as is, or you can edit them. So going back right here to emails, let me click on the emails right here. Again, we have all the same categories: SEO, fitness, paid traffic, social media, etc. And we have done for you emails as well. So as you can see, 5 done for you emails, which you can just copy and paste and just add your affiliate link to it and start making money this way. So all of these products out there, even if they will create a funnel for you, they will never include emails, and they will never include banners. And this is exactly what you're getting with FunnelXpress. So this is this category, banner and email. Obviously we have some bonuses right here, and obviously we have video training to top this all off. So as you can see, when it comes to FunnelXpress tutorials, we have the overview, the dashboard, we have account settings, creating your first funnel, done for you emails and banners, we have subscribers list, we have support and FAQ, and product center. So again, everything you need to start making money with this as soon as possible is inside. So you can use the done for you funnels and done for you campaigns all you have to do is just add your affiliate link to them and start making money, or you can edit them if there's a new product coming out. Obviously you can use the same ones, just change the name, add your affiliate link again, and start making money. Done for you. And again, you're getting tons of done for you resources, apart all of the funnel, so all the pages, all the thank you pages, download pages, etc. Okay, so this is exactly what you're getting. And right now let's check out the pricing. Now, as you can see, FunnelXpress will be going live at 11 a.m. Eastern on January 20th. Now, the early bird price will be just $19.97, which is crazy, because even if you're just going to compare it to any Fiverr gig, you know, if you're going to pay someone to create one of these pages, you're going to pay at least $25 to $50. Now, you're going to get all of this, everything that I just showed you, for $19.97. But keep in mind, this is the early bird. The price will be going up to $37 per month. Okay, so I'm talking about this one-time price, but this is the early bird price, so you have to jump on this as soon as possible. Okay, now we have FunnelXpress OTO number 1, which you will be presented with after picking up your copy. So as you can see, this will be $67, and it will allow you to create unlimited funnels. You're going to unlock 24 additional features, 2 funnels each month, and you also can add your own domains, and that's unlimited. And you can also download these funnels, for example, if you would like to send them to your clients and make money this way as well. So that's the pro version. Then we have FunnelXpress OTO number 2, which is high ticket. Okay, so this is $47, and as you can see, this is 15 new high ticket funnels. So obviously the main version is made for affiliate marketing for products that are up to $37, but if you want to make up to $500, even $1,000 per sale, that's OTO number 2. You can sell high ticket products for massive commissions. You're going to get agency features, VA and client access. You're going to get custom setup agency website, which is done for you. You're going to get a client contract template. You're going to get local lead finder, and you're going to get local clients training. So if you want to make the big bucks and also use this for local marketing, you can. OTO number 2, $47. OTO number 3, we got FunnelXpress Traffic and Sales Academy. That will be $127, and as you can see, you're gonna get full and detailed traffic and retargeting training by the industry leader, which is Rash. Facebook ads masterclass, you're gonna get Google ads masterclass, you're gonna get solo ads masterclass, full access to all future masterclasses, $100 Google and Facebook ads credit, and you're also going to get no investment needed to start running the ads, because you're going to get the $100 in credit. Okay, so that's number 3, FunnelXpress Traffic and Sales Academy. And the last OTO, the last upsell, will be FunnelXpress Agency, which guarantees you resellers license and also additional sales tools. And you're also going to get 2 traffic courses to make sure that you have all the traffic you need to actually send to this product for you to make money. So essentially you're getting 100% commissions on the whole funnel, and obviously the main product as well. Now guys, OTOs as always are optional, and you'll be fine with the main product alone. But maybe if you want the pro version or the high ticket version, then by all means you can think about picking one of these up. Now let me show you all of my bonuses. These guys have some bonuses mentioned on the sales page. You're gonna get all of these for free from me. So what you're gonna get is a total of 6 custom-made bonuses, especially for this promotion. So as you can see, we got 3 custom-made bonuses right here, and then 3 additional ones, a total of 6. I'm also going to give you a reseller's license to my own products, my own software product, okay? Instavit, Traffic Trapper, and Traffic Extractor. So that reseller's license bonus alone is worth $500, okay? I'm also going to give you done for you campaigns with emails, evergreen funnels, and more. And I normally sell this as an OTO to my own products. I'm also going to give you Buyer's List Ninja, my own course on creating a buyer's list, Fiverr Income Secrets, Fiverr Masterclass, and Riser free courses on Fiverr if you want to use FunnelXpress to sell gigs on Fiverr. And obviously you can make, as you saw, up to $250 per gig. Newbie Traffic Formula, VidSkippy 2.0, Hookum, Flip Me, Tube Traffic Avalanche. These are all W's of the Day awarded courses. You're also going to get Facebook Quiz Curator, mobile two-step opt-in generator, viral source, WP, in-content pop-up pro, video focus, smart commenter, social quick, and a case study on free traffic. Now, on top of all this, I'm going to give you 9 plugins. You're going to get Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueText, IS, Popbox, Sales Bar, and Short Code Call to Action. And on top of all this, you're gonna get my mega bonus. And my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses, and you can check it out by going to artofmarketingblack.com/mega bonus. Now, my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and that means that the total worth of this package is $3,275. Now again, you're gonna get all of these bonuses for free from myself, just as a thank you for picking up FunnelXpress through my link. And FunnelXpress will be going live at 11 a.m. Eastern on January the 20th. If you want to pick it up from my link, just use one of these blue links right here from my blog, or if you're watching on YouTube, click on the first link in the description. That will take you to the sales page, and the second link in the description will take you to my blog. And so obviously, as always, I'm going to have a full written review, and I'm actually going to again interview these guys to have a full interview for you guys, as well as a full demo. So I'm going to have a total of 3 videos for you to really make an informed decision about this product. And I really like it because, first of all, it's much cheaper than all the competitors. It actually gives you much more tools than all the competitors, and it all looks brilliant. You know, these funnels are beautifully designed, and obviously, even if you are an absolute newbie, you can just use this to sell gigs on Fiverr, make some easy money this way, and then just work your way up, because these funnels make bank to anyone that wants to do affiliate marketing or CPA marketing or anything else. Now, guys, let me show you how to claim my bonus after you'll decide to pick up FunnelXpress from my link. All you have to do is just go to Warrior Plus, purchase history, and to do it, just click on your red icon right here on the top right, go to purchase history, and you should see one of these products that you picked up from my link, so FunnelXpress or any other product. Then click on it, and below the button that says access your purchase, you should see another button saying bonuses from Art. So you don't have to send me any emails, you don't have to send me receipts. This will be automatically delivered to you. Guys, I really like it. And again, just go back to Fiverr, check how much money people are charging for something like this. You know, you can make some super easy money with this. My free Fiverr bonuses will show you exactly how to make money this way. And if you're using ClickFunnels or Convertri or any other funnel builder, then this is just a no-brainer. It's a one-time price, and obviously you're getting tons of done for you resources inside. So this gets my 2 thumbs up. As always, guys, if you have any questions, please leave me a comment right below. If you enjoyed this video, please like it on YouTube, and please subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one. And I will be seeing you shortly in the next review video. Ciao.